Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to get this really pretty golden sultry, full coverage makeup, just like a bronze goddess in general. And I also wanted to show you guys how I do my everyday curls. Super easy to do and super pretty. So yeah, that's today's video is gonna be all about. It's a get ready with me, so sit back, relax, and just go ahead and get started. I went ahead and straightened my hair. You guys already know the struggle of curly hair, I said that weird. You have to straighten it, wear it out a couple of days straight, and then go ahead and curl it. So I went ahead and did that, and I also dyed my hair. I told you guys on my Amazon haul that I bought a new hair dye, the one I usually always use. So I did that. I only dyed the roots, and I do it probably every 3 months or when I remembered, if I'm being honest. And then I tried out, or I've been trying out the new Briogeo hair mask, and honestly you guys, it's not my favorite. I feel like it makes my hair very like rough, and I don't know, it's really thick, so it kind of weights my hair down. It's not my favorite one, but it works amazing when I wear my hair naturally curly. I feel like it defines my curls more, if that makes sense. So I like it for curly hair, but it's not my favorite one. So I'm using the T3 curling iron. I believe this is a 1 inch, maybe 1.5. I'm not too sure, but this is what it looks like right here. It comes with 3, and I used the middle one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just curl it. This thing that when you open it, face it towards you, okay, not in the back. And then you want to put it towards you and then away from the face. And then I open the little clamp so my hair can get through. Oops, I didn't hold that for too long, so I'll show you guys again. See, the clamp is facing me, and then I put it away from me, and then I hold it just for a little bit, probably like 5 seconds, and then I let it go, and you get a beautiful natural looking curl, which is what I like. And I just hold it for 5 seconds. See, and then you get a beautiful curl. And my hair lasts longer without washing it. I only like to wash my hair probably like once a week, sometimes 2, but I don't like to wash it that much. Also, since we're here, you guys, I do want to say that go check out my description box. I'm gonna go ahead and leave some links there for you guys to go and read and help. I've been seeing a lot about the Vanessa Guillen case, and honestly that case pisses me off. Like, it just makes me so upset how that happened to someone, but I will really appreciate you if you went, check out those links, and help that family. They really need our support, you guys. Latinos need to stick together, especially during times like this. So I will go ahead and list some websites you guys can go and and help, and also repost her picture on your Instagram, social media. Do not silence, do not say her name so people can see the shit that happened to her. I might not have the biggest platform, but even if 10 people watch me, that just and 10 people do something about it, that's something. I've been trying to figure out where I left my other clip, but I have no idea where it's at. So I'm just gonna be with one little clip right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and begin. So I'm priming my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer. Oh my god, I'm a mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little dot like that on the eyes, and then I'm just gonna blend it out with my AOA Studio brush. And for today's makeup palette, I actually bought the new Natasha Denona bronze palette. All fancy, I know, you guys. I just needed it in my life. I love anything that's bronzy, that's nude. I feel like that's just my whole aesthetic. I love it. It makes me happy. It's my favorite colors in general, so I knew I needed it, even though I feel like I have a lot of palettes that are similar to it. This is the beautiful packaging that's my little setup for today. But this is what the colors look like. Super pretty, right? It looks so like delicious, so pretty. I love it. I feel like this will smell like chocolate, but it doesn't, but I feel like it would, you know. And then for comparison, here is the Artist Couture Supreme Nudes, which is one of my favorite palettes. I'm just gonna say they're different since I have them both. That's what it looks like. One is a lot cheaper than the other one. I'm gonna take the color Beach, which is this really pretty neutral color. This is my first time trying out this palette, so this better be good. If not, I'm returning it. So I'm gonna go back and forth on the crease. You guys, my hair is annoying me. I'm just gonna clip it like that. Okay, this is a cute color. And then I'm gonna go with Sundown. I just wanna try all like the basic colors and see what happens. So I'm going with Sundown. And then I'm also gonna take this brush that I just recently got from the Makeup Shack, the T12. I want to use that to blend out everything here and then drag it away from the face. That's usually what I like to do. I think I'm going to go in with Suntan. Let me take a smaller brush because that one's going to make a mess. I'm taking this one and I'm going to go in with Suntan. Tap X's. You guys, if I look a little bit tired, I'm so sorry. I woke up super early today. Well, you guys already know I don't like the morning, so early for me, it's 8:30. So I woke up extremely early today to take a test at 9. So I'm almost done with school. Well, summer classes that I just haven't had energy to film. And I usually only like to film when I'm in a good mood, you know, so I can radiate, I guess, positive energy to you guys, because I feel like energy is super important. You can feel when someone has like bad energy, especially on videos. So, you know, I only like to post when I'm in the mood for it, I'm feeling good. And remember, if you have a yellow light, get a little white light so you can keep checking on yourself, because the the yellow lighting will play you sometimes. So I think I'm gonna go in with Palladium. Let's do that. And I'm going in with the T41 brush and I'm gonna place, ooh, that's pretty. If I'm being honest, you guys, I don't even know what I'm doing. I just want like a pretty bronzy, sultry look. Today I'm using one of my new favorite lashes from KMYNX. You guys can use Taisha at checkout for money off. And these are in the style 6A684. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes. So I just look down and that's it. That's all I do. I look down and then I put the middle. And then I fix the inner corners, and that's how I apply my lashes. So remember, grab your lashes, bend them like this, look down, have a mirror like right here, you know, so you can see yourself, and then apply the middle part, and then fix the inner corners and the outer corners. That's how I'm able to apply my lashes so fast. And also keep in mind, in high school, I thought I needed lashes every day, so I apply them every day. So I had all those days and years of experience too. So I think for primer today, I'm going to be using the Good Molecules silicone free primer. So just to moisturize my face, and then I'll go in with the Hard Candy smoothing primer that I really like to smooth out my pores. I don't feel like it makes my makeup last any longer, but it does make my pores look really pretty, like, you know, and non-existent. And then I'm gonna apply some foundation. I'm also gonna be using the Blend My Face sponges. A lot of you guys were really excited that I hauled them, I think that's a word, right, on my last video. So I have it right here. I went ahead and wet it, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like dried down. So this is dried and then this is wet, so you guys can see the difference. And in case you're interested, you can find them on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them below for you guys, but it feels super nice and soft. So let's see if it gives me full coverage or not. I think today I'm going to be using the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation in the color TG3. This is such a good foundation. Every time, I don't know what foundation I'm in the mood for, this one's like the perfect color, the perfect coverage. Everything about it is just really good. Oh, wow, I can already tell this is giving me more fuller coverage, and it's actually really soft on the skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal concealer in the shade Cashew. Is this the new one or the old one? Let me use the new one because the older one is like poking my eye because there's no concealer left. So I'm going in with this one. Oh, it's such a good color. And I'm just gonna apply it going upwards. Let's see how this blends out concealer because it blended out my foundation very nicely. I'm going back and forth. For all my full coverage queens out there and kings, you know, doesn't matter. This sponge, you're really gonna like it. It really gives you a really nice, even pretty foundation like coverage. And it's super full coverage, which I love. So I will personally keep using this. I think this is going to be more amazing too for powders. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can find the powder I want to use today. Okay, here it is. I've been using recently the Beauty Bakery translucent powder. So I'm going to go ahead and add some. If you like full coverage and you like a matte finish, this is like the powder for you, and it blurs out the skin so nicely too. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this and then pack it in. And then for the face, I'm gonna go in with MAC in the shade NC40 with a little bit of the Sephora shade 35 because I told you guys I did just self-tan, so I am a little bit more on the tan side. Okay, not that tan. I'm gonna go ahead and contour the nose, add some bronzer, you know, just give myself like a shape to my face. So I'm gonna go in with this H&B Cosmetics brush. I've been using their brand a lot, you guys, and I really like it. It's by Holly Boone, I think that's how you say her name, but it's a UK brand and I've really been liking them. So I'm going in with, of course, my Alamar Cosmetics. This is the hyaluronic acid, you know, brighten and bronze complexion trio in the shade medium tan. So I'm grabbing Soltera and I'm gonna go ahead and create some cheekbones. So I'm gonna go back and forth in circular motions, going like up, and then of course my forehead. You guys, I feel like the look is finally coming together. I am so happy. We'll see. And I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my double chin. This is something that I will keep repurchasing over and over again because it's so good. I also did just buy their new lip gloss. I have it right here, Birthday Suit. Even though it is a pink, you guys know how I feel about my pinks, but I did try it on and it's like a really pretty beigey pink. Like it's more of like that Latina friendly pink. And of course, Alamar Cosmetics, it is Latina owned, so they know what they're doing. I always use the same nose routine. This is the Milani 03 and with my Japanesque eyeshadow brush. It's an all over eyeshadow brush. I got it from Marshall's. It's a lot cheaper there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just contour the nose. Remember, the closer the lines, the smaller the nose. So I just pretty much follow my brow and make it a little bit closer. This is something that makes such a pretty difference. So I'm grabbing the brightening color in the shade I'm Woke, and this is from Smashbox. I got this from TJ Maxx. I think I did a haul when I did grab it, and it's such a good brush. Also, the e.l.f. blush brush works amazing for this step too. I'm gonna grab one of my favorite brushes for blush. This is from Eco Tools, the sheer blush brush. Okay, this is really good. And I'm gonna go in with my KKW matte blush, another amazing product. I do like KKW Beauty a lot. They have such like statement pieces that you can use all year round. So I'm gonna take this color with a little bit of this one, tap X's, and apply it here on the cheeks, but going upwards too. And this is the matte blush. I don't know if I said that. Alright, so once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line now. Grabbing the NYX, I think this is in the shade Bronze. I honestly don't see a name to it. Oh no, it's called Golden Bronze. I can't talk today, you guys. I don't know what's up with me. But I'm gonna apply this here. This tickles so much, but it's worth it. Okay, and then I'm grabbing like a tiny brush. This is the AOA Studio E132 brush. And what I'm gonna do is grab Sundown and use that color to smoke everything out. always tap your brush when you're applying anything to your lower lash line, because if not, all that powder is gonna get inside your eye and it's gonna hurt. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Silk now and then apply that here. Oh yes, that's a pretty color. I'm telling you, this makeup just makes brown eyes pop. So for today's lip combo, I want to use the new KKW lipstick collection that I bought. This is the new lip gloss and I bought it in the shade 2.5. So I'm going to go in with KKW Nude 2, which is a amazing brown lip liner. So I'm going to go ahead and overdraw my lips. And then I'm going in with 2.5 lipstick from KKW. This is such a pretty color. And then for gloss, I'm going to go in with 2.5 as well. And she did change the packaging. It used to be smaller, not their bigger. I don't know if that makes a difference, but let's see. And they have that same KKW lipstick. Oh, that's what I get for talking shit. And like I was saying, they have that same KKW lipstick scent. It's not the best, but it's just like whatever, you know. And then last but not least, to really keep this makeup in place, I recommend everybody who has oily skin to try the Makeup Forever Light Velvet Spray. Amazing, you guys, life changing. It's so good. This is the final hair in case you guys care to see it. That's what it looks like from the back. I do get my hair in layers in case you guys care, and I also have done a straight hair routine, so I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. By the way, some details I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask. My earrings are Fashion Nova. My necklace is from Shein. I'll go ahead and have it linked below. It's like $3 and it's just looks so expensive, right? And then you guys can also use Taisha at checkout. I got a discount code. I am so happy, you guys. Thank you for all of you for supporting my Shein try on hauls. So go ahead and use Taisha at checkout to save some money. And also my top is from Pretty Little Thing. I should be doing a haul soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, you know, and just being there for me. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.